Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to check battery level on your headphones Adidas RPD 01 with using your iOS device. Basically, you have a few options how to do it. The first one is create a widget, so just press and hold on the empty space, then click plus, scroll down and click on batteries. Now choose the best one widget for you, let's say it's okay for me, then click add widget. And right here we can check a battery level. And the second one option is to use an application, so just open it. Okay, we have it. And right here we can also check a battery level. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!